Hi, my name is Jason Wang. I'm a 12th grader at Brentwood High School in Brentwood, Tennessee. And for my Regeneron STS project, I study two proteins, RAS and E-cadherin. RAS is a small protein and it's found in our bodies at a normal level. However, when RAS is mutated, it can lead to cancer. And in fact, 19%, or that amounts to 3.4 million new cases of cancer every year, actually harbor a RAS mutation. So E-cadherin is a protein and it can be best thought of as a glue that can join neighboring cells together. So what I found in my Regeneron project was that when oncogenic RAS, which is another way to say RAS that can cause cancer, when oncogenic RAS is expressed, E-cadherin actually gets internalized and moves away from the cell surface, which is where it should normally be. So this is important because cells need to stay very tightly connected in order to have a barrier function. And what happens is when E-cadherin gets internalized, cells can be more likely to detach from one another and migrate. This is an important part of metastasis, which is when cancers can migrate from their primary source and form a secondary site. So, current research in the field focuses on what happens in the late term stages of cancer with regards to E-cadherin, and it's typically gone or really diminished, which makes sense because these sort of later stage cancer cells would not be very likely to join with their neighbors and are more migratory and can move around. But what I found actually is that everything I've talked about can occur in less than 24 hours, and this highlights just how quickly precancerous effects can be seen in a short amount of time after a mutation occurs. So, this is really important because the more we learn about processes that can contribute to metastatic capabilities of different types of cancers, the more effectively we can block or slow down and treat these sorts of negative effects. So, a couple fun facts about me. I've been swimming since I was 6 years old, and I'm still swimming to this day. And also, next year I will be on the varsity swim team at MIT, where I plan to major in biological engineering. In the future, I hope to start my own biotech company. And this all kind of started from when I was 6 years old and I got my first ever look under the microscope because my dad is a pathologist. And last fun fact about me is I really enjoy traveling, and I've visited 5 out of 7 of the new seven wonders of the world. So I still have the Taj Mahal left and Petra in Jordan. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.